So, may I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? So, now coming back to the pointers, right? So, now Vastu Shastra represents the orientation of your house and stuff. So, as for this orientation, it has a major influence on how the energy of your house is going to be promoting either harmony and the positive and the negative vibes of the room or the apartment or the office or whatever. So houses are made differently, offices are different, business rooms are made differently, hotels are made differently and stuff. So let's stick to an apartment, right? So you can have north, west, east, south, whichever way. So get an online compass and start your compass and see how it is. Okay, so now when you have the west main door, what happens when you have the west main door? Ideally the mat can be a black mat. So forget the first concept I said of Europe or Japanese or Korean using the golden tones or the neutral tones and stuff. Now we're coming back to basic Vastu Shastra. If your door is a west main door, you could use a black mat because black direction is associated with creativity, children, and joy. And for this, black is supposed to be absorbing, like it absorbs the sun and everything, absorb and transform energy, fostering a balanced and harmonious atmosphere. But if you were to go with the um, Chinese or the regular way of chi, how they think or how it works is that, in my understanding, you could Google it, research it. Is that black absorbs all of this dust, black absorbs all of whatever's in the air, the dust and everything and all that. And because it's absorbing all the negative and everything, it's there in your mat. And as a result, you feel everything is clean around you and stuff, but actually it's all there in your mat. So this is the way they think differently, whereas Vastu Shastra has something else to add to it. Okay, so it's your prerogative, it's your choice what school of thought to follow. So if you have a north, east, or a north main door, again black or a blue mat, because north and northeast direction symbolize career, opportunities, and personal growth. And as a result of that, black and blue are both considered as auspicious stones, auspicious colors. And as a result of that, they signify the flow of abundance and prosperity into your home. When you come to south or southeast main doors, red or green mat. So Korean, Japanese, and Chinese will say no reds because they're too loud, and they are too gentle or too happening colors and stuff and all. So they're repelling everything away from the house and everything. Especially when a door is red, why would you have a mat which is red as well? So red is everybody knows this, power, fame, wealth and stuff. So पहनने से कोई someone doesn't get rich, so it's just fashion, what they say. So when you want to activate these energies in your house, choose these colors, red or green. I'm so sorry. And they represent growth and balance when it comes to green, and when it's coming to good energy, passion, vitality, and fortune, it's actually a red. Now, if it's a yellow or a golden mat, which is my choice, an ideal one, is a southwest main door, because this is actually linked to relationships, it's actually linked to love and stability. And as a result of that, it's also attracting positive energy and prosperity. And placing a doormat in these colors is going to enhance the harmonious effects of these in your home life. Yeah. So when you come to now east main door, which is where the sun rises, green or blue mat is highly recommended. I've already shared this because it's calmness, tranquility, stability, and all that, and it creates a welcoming atmosphere for you and stuff. So it's up to you really what you choose. So over the weekend when you go for shopping and everything and all that, try and think about all of this. And it doesn't mean that you throw away all your mats and stuff. You can do the balancing thing of probably placing some coins under what you have and stuff. But ideally, my advice is do away with the black mats and stuff, and uh, avoid using this strategy that if it is not at the main door, let me pick it up and put it in my balcony entrance, or let me put it in my kitchen, or let me put it in my bedroom or whatever, because any which ways it's got the energy of your main door and stuff. So uh,